Hello.
Kung ba't nagkaganon yun? There was so much energy going on.
I believe you.
Okay. Ano yung energy na sinasabi ko? Yan ang energy na mamamasdan nyo po ngayong araw na ito. I'm sure you've heard of the term Y2K.
Oh yeah, everyone's going crazy kasi nakinulang nyo na, diba?
Everybody is going crazy about Y2K. Pero meron isa pa
Eto.
na medyo katunog nun.
Mas local naman. Pero ang Y2K medyo worldwide, diba? Hindi lang local kasi pag international, world class.
Alright. I-ano na natin?
Happy ako. Obvious ba nakabig?
Alam mo?
Dito ka. Thank you, Mimi and Juliet.
It's so cute. You look like Hello Kitty.
Thank you. That's the point.
That's the point. Ano ba? Meron ba sineselebrate ang Hello Kitty ngayon?
Actually, yes. It's happy today. It's because ang ate ko dito po sa SOP mag-album launch daw.
Mag-album launch? Sino to?
Album launch.
Mag-album launch? Ito ba yan?
I'm so excited.
Pakita mo naman.
Y2K. Meron ding R2K.
R2K! Yun ang sinasabi ko. R2K. Let me talk about R2K. Are you ready for the newest album of the Millennium Diva?
Yes! At tuloy na ang grand album launch today. K! Kasi okay na okay. Golden Voice. Her Golden Voice is worth 24K as in 24 karat gold. Dahil po, nandito po siya with her latest album, R2K.
Alright, R2K. Nabanggit mo yung R2K. Ako meron akong sasabihin in connection with R2K.
Ano?
Birthday ng nanay ko eh.
Happy birthday po!
It's the birthday of my mother today, November 3. And the SOPD!
Ang nag-iisa at walang kapares, the Asia's Song Goddess,
R2K! Miss Regine Velasquez!
Here's my star.
Spring was still waiting for us here. It will one step ahead as we follow in the dim. I recall the yellow cotton dress, the way lined the way on the ground beneath your feet.
Siya pa lang ang bunso, doesn't perform.
The yellow cotton dress flowing like the wave on the ground beneath your feet. Birds like tender babies in your hand, they're always playing, shining by the sea.
And this is now, somehow we made it to the rock waters, and now we're proud to say that you're my lady, forever my baby, never acting shady, getting really hazy. And now the life endeavors will always stick together or whatever.
For those dear, and we're one step ahead as we follow in the day. Tender babies in your hand, they're rolling, shining by the sea. Father's dark is melting, the sweet green nights up and down. So good live the cake out in the way.
Found that my heart yearns and burns, 'cause every time I turn around, her face returns. I should have took it to the heart from the very start. That time she told me I'm a carver spark.
Sorpresa ang R2K.
At mga production numbers na punong-puno ng K. At sa pares-pares, panalo-panalo, meron ding K. As in, kwarta hanggang 1,000,000 piso pa.
Dito lamang siyempre sa show na R2K Ready SOP! Magbabalik po ang SOP ng R2K. Don't go away.
SOP dito sa GMA. SOP dito sa GMA. SOP